Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Halloween ice cream surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween ice cream surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I like to start off by lining up the corners and giving my paper a nice fold right down the middle. This way it's kind of like a birthday card. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners, and give it another nice fold. And now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of the drawing, and I always like to turn it this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with this, I'm going to begin right here at the top, and I'm going to start off by making a circle. So I'm going to draw a circle right here at the top. And this is actually going to be an eyeball. I'm going to draw another circle inside of it, and I'm actually going to color in this circle, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and down here. And then I'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to bring this out with a curve and come down. Now right here, I'm going to draw some wavy lines so it looks like our ice cream is really dripping everywhere. So I'm going to do it just like that. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to put a few little bumps in it so it looks like a bite has been taken out of it. And then I'm going to bring this line down here. I'm going to bring this down and then connect it right here. Now I want this to kind of look like a spider web. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a diagonal line that comes up. And it's going to go across there. I'm going to draw one here and one over here. Then I'm just going to make some little curved lines across there. Then I'll make some more right here. And then I'll just draw a couple more right here. Now, I want to make like a little zombie style face on this ice cream. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go down and then over. And same thing here, I'm just going to go down and then over. I'll make a smiley face right underneath each one with a little curved line underneath each one. Then I'm going to go down with a curve, come over, and then up. And I'm going to make a little line so it looks like he's drooling. Then right along here, I'm going to make some more wavy lines so it looks like it's dripping. And then for some fun, I'm going to draw a line here with a couple little lines across to make it look like a stitch. Now, once this is open, we can start adding some details. So I'm going to begin here by bringing this line down and bringing this line down. Then I'm going to make some more wavy lines. I'm going to make these different sizes and bring them all the way around here. Next, I'm going to draw a curve here and a curve right here. And then I'm going to make this one kind of look like a skeleton. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw an oval for an eye. And then another big oval for an eye. I'll bring a line down here and a line down here. Then I'll make a little circle here with a small line. Then starting here, I'm going to just make a small wavy line, so it kind of looks like some teeth on our skull. Next, I want this next one to be kind of like a pumpkin. So I'm going to bring this line down and then in, and this one down and in. And then I'm going to make some more of these wavy lines on here. Now for our pumpkin, I'm going to draw a triangle for an eye right here. Then I'm going to make another triangle for an eye over here. I'll draw a line here and a line here. And then a small little triangle in here. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and up, down and up, down, and then up here. Then I'll do another one. We'll go down and up, down and up, down, and then up here. Then I'll draw a little line here and a little line here. Then finally, I'm going to do my last one, so I'm going to draw a line that comes out and then in, and then out and in. We'll bring this up, and I'll bring this one up here to connect. Now this one, we're just going to cover it with some bugs. So I'm going to make some oval shapes on here. We'll make them going different directions. Now I'll put another one up here. I'm also going to put a couple on the sides here as well. Then we're just going to make some little lines coming off of here for legs. So we'll put about 6 legs on each one. Then we'll make some antennas. We'll just go up and then kind of angled out. And this will make it look like the bugs are crawling all over this ice cream. And then we'll put some antennas out here too. And we'll put like 3 legs on these. Then I'm also going to add some worms. So I'm going to add a couple little wavy lines on here. And I'll do another one over here. Then we'll add some little lines on here for our worms. Then over here on this skull one, I'm going to make 2 lines that come out. And then I'm going to put 2 little bumps for a bone. Then over here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines out here. And then we will just connect them with some curves so it looks like a spider web. Then I'll draw a little line down with a circle. And then we'll make 8 little legs on here for a spider. And there you go, there is your drawing of some Halloween ice cream. So when we have it all closed up, we just have a creepy looking little ice cream cone, and then when we open it up, we can see that there's so much more inside with more creepy Halloween ice cream. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.